Hi, this is our Shengshang refrigerator. There is no ice coming up. Let me show you what's going on and how to fix it. Let's get the ice maker out, and it's actually empty, and you probably see the ice on top. I suspect that is the problem, so I cut off the power to the refrigerator and use a hair dryer to melt that ice. After that, wipe away the water, put everything back, and turn on the power. After overnight, let's check for ice. Oh yes, it is. There is ice. And let's check what's in the ice maker. And yes, quite a lot of ice. If you're wondering what's going on, it appears that there is a sensor on top and it sends out a signal. If the signal gets reflected back, it will think the ice maker is full. And the ice on top does exactly that. If you have a similar problem, give it a try. If it does work, please like this video and even better, subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.